Ever feel that little pang of anxiety on payday? Wondering if your hard-earned cash has actually landed safely in your account? What if I told you there's a way to not only eliminate that worry but also unlock a smoother, smarter way to manage your money from the moment your salary hits? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects pretty much all of us, getting paid. But we're not just talking about getting paid, we're talking about getting paid smart, specifically, getting your salary paid directly into your Monzo account. Now, you might be thinking, why Monzo? My current bank is fine. And that's fair. But stick with me for a few minutes, and I think you'll see why making the switch for your salary could be a game changer. Think about it. What's the first thing you usually do after payday? Maybe you check your balance, transfer some funds to savings, pay a few bills. With Monzo, a lot of this can be automated and streamlined, giving you more control and less hassle. Imagine your salary landing directly into an account that's designed for how you actually live and spend. Monzo isn't just another bank account, it's a financial hub right on your phone. It offers a level of transparency and control that traditional banks often lack. From instant notifications the moment you get paid to budgeting tools that help you visualize where your money is going, Monzo empowers you to take charge of your finances like never before. So, you're intrigued, right? You're wondering how you can ditch the payday anxiety and start enjoying a more seamless financial experience. Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to get your salary paid directly into your Monzo account. It's easier than you might think, and the benefits are well worth the small effort involved. Before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly touch upon some of the key advantages of having your salary paid into Monzo. Real-time notifications. The moment your employer sends your salary, Monzo will ping your phone with an instant notification. No more constantly refreshing your banking app and wondering. Budgeting made easy. Monzo's integrated budgeting tools allow you to set spending limits for different categories, track your progress in real time, and see exactly where your money is going. Getting paid directly into Monzo makes it incredibly easy to allocate funds as soon as they arrive. Savings pots. Want to squirrel away some cash for a rainy day or a future goal? Monzo's savings pots allow you to easily separate your savings from your everyday spending money. You can even set up automatic transfers on payday to ensure you're consistently saving. Fee-free spending abroad. If you travel, Monzo is a fantastic companion. You can spend abroad without incurring hefty transaction fees, and you'll get the real exchange rate. Having your salary paid into Monzo means you're always ready for your next adventure. Easy bill splitting, sharing expenses with friends or housemates. Monzo makes it incredibly easy to split bills and track who owes what. Overdraft options. With eligibility, while we always aim to stay in the green, life happens. Monzo offers overdraft options, subject to eligibility, which can provide a safety net when you need it. Excellent customer support. Monzo's customer support is known for being responsive and helpful, usually accessible directly through the app. Convinced? Great! Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, how to actually get your salary paid into your Monzo account. The process is generally straightforward, but it might vary slightly depending on your employer's payroll system. However, these are the general steps you'll need to follow. Step 1. Find your Monzo account details. The first thing you'll need is your Monzo account number and sort code. You can find these details easily within the Monzo app. Open the Monzo app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Scroll down slightly, and you'll see your account number and sort code clearly displayed. Make a note of these details, as you'll need to provide them to your employer. Step 2. Contact your employer's payroll department. The next step is to inform your employer that you'd like to change your bank details for salary payments. The best way to do this is usually by contacting their payroll department directly. This could be through email, an online portal, or by speaking to someone in HR. Locate the appropriate contact, find out who handles payroll or employee banking changes at your company. This information is often available in your employee handbook or on your company's intranet. Prepare your information, have your Monzo account number and sort code ready to provide. It's also a good idea to have your previous bank account details handy in case they need them for verification. Step 3. Provide your Monzo account details. Once you've made contact with the payroll department, you'll need to provide them with your Monzo account number and sort code. Follow their instructions. Your employer will likely have a specific form or process for updating bank details. Make sure you follow their instructions carefully. Double-check the details. Before submitting any information, double-check that you've entered your Monzo account number and sort code correctly. Even a small error could lead to delays in your payment. Step 4. Confirm the changes. After you've submitted your new bank details, it's a good idea to follow up with the payroll department to confirm that the changes have been processed successfully. Ask for confirmation. Inquire about when the new details will take effect and when you can expect your salary to be paid into your Monzo account. Keep records. Keep a copy of any forms or emails you've exchanged with the payroll department for your records. Step 5. Monitor your first payment. Once your employer confirms the change, keep an eye on your Monzo account around your usual payday. Check for the notification. You should receive an instant notification from Monzo as soon as your salary hits your account. Verify the amount. Ensure the amount received is correct. If there are any discrepancies, contact your payroll department immediately. Important considerations. Cutoff dates. Be aware that payroll departments often have cutoff dates for processing changes. Make sure you submit your new details well in advance of the next payday to ensure your salary is paid into your Monzo account on time. Partial payments. If you're switching mid-pay period, your first payment into Monzo might be a partial amount. Clarify this with your employer. Proof of account. Your employer might request proof of your Monzo account details. You can usually generate a bank statement within the Monzo app if needed. Multiple accounts. If you have multiple Monzo accounts, e.g., a personal and a joint account, ensure you provide the details for the correct account you want your salary paid into. Troubleshooting. While the process is usually smooth, here are a few potential issues you might encounter and how to address them. Incorrect details provided. If your salary doesn't arrive as expected, the first thing to do is double-check the account number and sort code you provided to your employer. Contact your payroll department to correct any errors. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.